Hey kids, this is Zach from Wacky Zachy, and today we're going with my cousin Mason and my cousin Carter, and this is Ben, my brother. If you've seen any more videos, you know him. And today we're gonna do the Bean Boozle challenge, and we got our drinks in case it is gross.
And the garbage.
And there's one called grass clippings. Yep.
Vomit, dog food, grass clipping.
Yeah.
Okay, so give everybody. Okay, give everybody a jelly bean. Don't put it in your mouth yet.
Give everybody a jelly bean.
Don't eat it yet.
I'll take one.
Just hold it in your hand.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm jelly bean.
What is
Well,
this?
you might not like this one.
What is
I don't know.
Zach, give it to the boys.
What is this one?
I don't know. You'll have to wait. Okay, don't eat it yet.
That's mine. I just want to get this.
Don't eat it
Don't
yet.
eat it yet. One at a
Okay.
time.
Ready, set, go.
No. Who's gonna go first?
Me.
Okay, Zach's gonna go first.
It's grass clippings or lime.
Go.
What is this?
Zach's gonna try. Are you chewing it?
Lime, yes.
Okay, Mason, are you gonna go?
What's Mason's, Zach? Either what? No.
I
Benny,
didn't see it.
what was it?
Rotten oranges. Rotten milk.
No, it
let
can't
me-
be rotten
Let me see the
oranges.
box, Zach.
Carter, are you
What
gonna try
color
yours?
was it?
Carter, are you gonna go?
It tastes like poop.
It's either, was it yellow, Mason?
Okay, Benny, are you gonna
Take
try
a
it?
drink.
Carter, you
Guys,
gonna
that
go?
was so gross.
Let me see
Okay,
yours,
Carter's
Carter. Let me
gonna
see what
go.
color it
Carter's
is.
going.
This is either rotten eggs or buttered toast.
Rotten eggs, I guess.
Benny, are you gonna do it? Okay, then give it to Zachy.
Mason's was a light color.
Wait,
so it was
Benny,
either
this
caramel
is yours.
corn or moldy.
Benny,
cheese.
it's toothpaste.
moldy cheese,
And
definitely.
this is toothpaste.
moldy cheese.
This
Try it,
is
Benny.
it's
It's
gross.
It's I don't want to lick it.
No, eat it.
This is blue.
Yeah.
It's either toothpaste or berry blue. Either of those.
Okay, try
would
it,
be
Benny. It
caramel.
might be good.
Right.
Could be berry. It's good?
Is it minty or is it berry? Toothpaste. That's not that bad.
Now
Okay.
with the box.
Right here. Let's look at the color.
Yeah,
this
look at
time
the
so we can
color.
see what
Show
they
Aunt
are.
Shree the color. Shree, why don't you just hand them out?
So
Okay.
gross.
Mason.
No, just wait.
What is the
Okay, let me see it before you eat it.
I want to see it like
And wait,
Somebody speak stink. Carter, you want to try another one?
no.
mine. This might be
Okay, hold on. Show it.
mine and
Zach.
Benny's.
Zach,
Okay, Zach,
show
let me
it
see
to Aunt
yours.
Shree.
Okay, Zach is either dead fish or
Oh.
strawberry banana smoothie. Wait, Mason.
Oh my god.
What's yours? Mason, I didn't see yours. What color is it again? Let me see. Either barf or
It's grass clipping.
or grass clippings.
Benny, are you eating one?
Oh, I didn't see Benny's. What color was it? Let me see.
Blue.
Oh, he never got a new one.
Oh, did you
Okay.
give him another?
Yeah,
All right, Zach, do you
What
wanna?
color was
it's
it?
white.
Zach, how about you
Ben's
sign
was
off?
white.
Zach,
If Ben's was white, it was either spoiled milk or coconut.
Benny,
I think it was coconut.
Zach, sign
I
off.
like coconut.
Benny, move. Okay, Zach, sign off.
Coconut is
Zach,
good.
we're done. Sign off. No, we're gonna. That's enough. It's already 3 minutes. Go.
Please subscribe. See and put a link below when what I should do next time. And I know what I should do. Bye.